You get nervous when you see a larger file and wish someone could summarize it for you. I have a solution. Do not fear. I have a solution. Kindly watch the entire video. You'll get the solution at the end.
This is Ajit Kate. Welcome to Passionate Talks. I'm your host, your friend, and this day we're going to talk about a few more aspects of Copilot. Unlike the previous episode, this one is going to be shorter, and I'm just going to explain um, how can you summarize a longer format document, say a PDF or a Word file. So this I'm sharing the screen just for demonstration to see to show you. And this is the Copilot homepage. And at the bottom, you can see that you can ask anything, the textual format, and it gives you the output definitely. Whereas at the bottom, there are two sections here. One is the add an image, the other one is add a file. So, image, I think I had shown you in the previous session. If you're not seen the previous session, kindly click on the I button, or I would have mentioned that in the description. You can go through. But if you want to add a file, let me choose a file for reference and demonstrate. Which one would I choose? I had saved one or two just for these kind of sessions. Yeah, found it. Okay. So, yes. So this particular document is about Bangalore city traffic. So I prepared this document through AI in the month of February 2024. So I was just asking how this Bangalore city traffic um, uh, condition can be improved and what is the current status. So AI gave me some insight. So I didn't go through the entire thing, but I thought this could be a demonstration. See, if I want you to show you the whole thing, it's a lengthy one. It's a three-page document, but nobody will have time to go through. So if you ask Copilot to go through it, it will do it for you. So what I've done is I have uh, uploaded the document and I'm going to ask something to Copilot. Just go through, please. Can you please summarize the document for me? See, if it's a three-page document, definitely you would need a little more time. And people who do not have time or do not have any interest in reading things, they would not feel interested to go through 3 pages. Whereas if I ask Copilot to summarize it, let's see what it does. It first reads the file. Okay, the output is getting generated. See, here it is. All right, so let's go through the document first. It says the title, Navigating the Labyrinth, Unraveling the Complex Tapestry of Bangalore City Traffic. The title remains same as the original document. I am going to show you the original document as well. And then it has given you a point-wise gist of the entire document. So it says Bangalore, known as Silicon Valley of India, is facing significant traffic challenges due to rapid urbanization and population growth. The city's traffic congestion is primarily caused, etc., etc. So it has given you a point-wise iteration of the same document, and at the end, it has given you that the document emphasizes that addressing Bangalore's traffic issues requires a combination of short-term interventions and long-term strategies involving both the government and community. It concludes with a hopeful note for a smoother, more sustainable future for Bangalore. Okay, so here it is. This is the gist of the entire document. I think this is more absorbable by anybody who is going through or who wants small summary of the entire document. Let me try to share you the document which I have on the screen. um, I don't know whether it is visible. Let me share it. Okay. All right. I'm going to copy and paste the entire gist of it here, and you can just make out the difference between the two. So this is the entire document. I mean, it was of course in the Word file. So reading would be, it is not that clumsier, but here it has taken into the consideration the 2000 character limit and tried to paste it accordingly. But if I give you a document, it's not complete yet. So you can see that here, right? So if I give you this document and read, definitely you will not be interested. But if I ask Copilot to give you a summary, it will do it. This feature is available only in Copilot. Gemini has a feature, but it'll have a feature to search for images, but not for files. The best part of Copilot is this. That's why I call Copilot as the big daddy of generative AI, because it has a lot more things than what ChatGPT and Google Gemini can do. So mind you that I'm logging in through my corporate credentials, hence the features are such. Okay, but the twist in the tail lies in what I am going to demonstrate in the next episode, which is the best I have seen ever, and I also feel that you also would feel that this tool is something advanced. So I would request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because that motivates me to create more such videos. Uh, and share with your friends and family, because this particular these sessions are not just for a particular section of society, but it can be used by anybody, any person, be it a carpenter, be it a painter, be it a bakery guy, or entrepreneur, a teacher, student, anybody who wants to learn things, who wants to apply AI uh, into their day-to-day task and help them to automate tasks, help them to complete the task faster and efficiently. So this is the agenda. So I hope this video finds you useful. And if you had liked the video, kindly do comment and let me know how beneficial this video was. And I hope that this video, the method which I applied here, is beneficial to most of the students who are going through large number of PPTs, large number of documents in their school, and it can help them to summarize the document just before the examination.